Students, this video for class work lesson 3. What is the name of lesson 3? Transport and communication. Transport and communication. Now book work page number 58. Page number 58. National and dash highways connected important town and cities. Again, national and dash highways connect important towns and cities. Here answer state. Okay. Now second one, dash trains glide above the track using magnet. Here given two answer, maglev metro. Answer maglev. Okay. Now page number 59. Dash are underwater vessels. Dash are underwater vessels. Submarine, ship. Here what answer? Submarine. Submarine. Okay. Now page number 62. Dash are useful means of transport in mountainous and forest area. Dash are useful means of transport in mountainous and forest area. Helicopters. Helicopters. Okay. Now page number 64. The first postal service was done using dash, pigeon and horses. Here correct answer horse. Next one, same page, fax machine convert information to digital codes and electronical codes. Here correct answer electronical codes. What answer? Electronical codes. Now page number 66. In 1895, dash studied radio waves. Two answer given. One, Galileo Marconi, John Piard. Here correct answer Galileo Marconi. Next one, dash help in telecasting TV program. Comsat mobile phone. Here answer Comsats. Now page number 68. Book exercise. First Roman, fill in the blanks. First one, communication satellite are also called dash. Again one time, communication satellite are also called dash. Answer Comsat. COMSATS. Okay. Now second one, door to door delivery of goods is possible through dash. Post. What answer? Post. Now third one, the dash train in Japan is the world fastest train. Japanese bullet. Spelling J-A, ja, P-A, pa, knee, N-E-S-E, knees, Japanese, bullet, B-U-L-L-E-T, bullet, B-U-L, bull, L-E-T, let, bullet. Okay. Now, fourth one. In earlier times, rafts were made of dash, wood, W-O-O-D, wood. Okay. Now, fifth one. Dash and dash. Printing are the current technologies used in printing. Again, dash and dash. Printing are the current technologies used in printing. Digital and offset. D-I-G-I-T-A-L, digital, and offset, O-F-F, offset, S-E-T, offset. Okay. Now, choose the correct answer. A1. International calls are possible through dash. Again, international calls are possible through dash. Satellite, television, radio. Here given 3 answers. Here correct answer, satellite. S-A-T-E-L-L-I-T-E-S, satellite. Next one. B. Urgent and important letters can be sent through dash. Answer. Post, courier service, and newspaper. Correct answer, courier service. C-O-U-R-I-E-R, courier service. S-E-R-V-I-C-E-S. Okay. Now, third one. Dash used drums to send messages to groups far away. African tribes, Red Indian, Native Indians. Here correct answer, African tribes. Now, fourth one. The dash system connects various parts of a city and has made travel quicker and cheaper. Here 3 answers. What are they? Road transport, water transport, and metro rail. Here correct answer, metro rail. M-E-T-R-O-R-A-I-L, metro rail. Dash were first form of mass communication. Answer. Newspaper, radio, television. Here correct answer, newspaper only first form of mass communication. Okay. Now, match the following. Magazine, offset printing, computer, personal communication, television, mass communication, Morse code, radio, insert IC. Answer, satellite. Okay. Now, answer the following question in one or two sentences. First one, what is transport? Name the three kinds of transport. Again, what is transport? Name the three kinds of transport. Now answer. The movements of goods and passengers from one place to another is called transport. The different kinds of transport system are land, water and air. Again one time. What is transport? Name the three kinds of transport. Now answer. The movements of goods and passengers from one place to another is called transport. Movement. M-O-V-E. Move. Ment. M-E-N-T. Ment. Movement of goods. G-O-O-D-S. Goods and passengers. P-A-S-Sen. S-E-N. Son. Gers. G-E-R-S. Passengers. From one place to another is called transport. T-R-A-N-S. Transport. P-O-R-T. Port. Second point. The different kinds of D-I-F. Dip. For. F-E-R. For. End. E-N-T. Different kinds. K-I-N-D-S. Kinds of transport. T-R-A-N-S-P-O-R-T. Transport system. S-Y-S-T-E-M-S. Systems or land. L-A-N-D. Land. Water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. And air. A-I-R. Air. Now second one. Which is the quickest way to travel long distances? Why? Again, which is the quickest way to travel long distances? Why? Now answer. Air transport is the quickest way to travel long distances because it can carry passengers and goods across seas within days, which would take months in road and water transport. Now spelling. A-I-R. Air. Transport. T-R-A-N-S. Transport. P-O-R-T. Port. Transport is the. I-S is T-H-E. The quickest. Q-U-I-C. Quickest. K-E-S-T. Quickest. Way to. W-A-Y. Way. T-O. To. Travel. T-R-A-V-E-L. Travel. Long. L-O-N-G. Long. Distances. D-I-S. Dis. T-A-N. Tan. C-E-S. Distances. Because. BECAUSE because it can can carry carry passengers pass sin gers passengers and goods goods across across seas seas within within days days which which would would take take month months take months in road road and and water transport water transport transport PORTS. Okay. Now third one, which was the earliest form of railway? Again, which was the earliest form of railway? Now answer. In the 18th century, some roads in England were switched to iron rails and horses were used to pull wagons along these rails. This was the earliest form of railway. Okay. The 18th century 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 some some road ROADS roads in England England were were switched 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 to iron iron rails 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 and horses horses were were used used to bull pull pull wagons wagons along along these these rails rails. This was the earliest form of railway. Okay. THIS this WAS was THE the earliest 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 form of railway. Now fourth one, what are the two kinds of communication? What are the two kinds of communication? Answer. The two kinds of communication are personal communication and mass communication. Personal. Okay. PER per son 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 ALL personal communication. C-O-M, come. M-U, mu. N-I-N-E, communication. C-A-T-I-O-N, communication. And mass, M-A-S-S, mass communication. C-O-M, come. M-U-N-I, communication. C-A-T-I-O-N, mass communication. Two kinds of communication are personal communication and mass communication. Now, fifth one, what do you think are the advantages of a mobile phone over a normal telephone? Now answer. The advantages of a mobile phone over a normal telephone are: mobile phones do not need wire as they connect through satellite in space. M-O-B-I-L-E, mobile phone. P-H-O-N-E-S, phone. Do not, D-O-Do, N-O-T, not. Need, N-E-E-D, need. Wire, W-I-R-E-S, wire. As they are connect, C-O-N-N-E-C-T, connect. Through, T-H-R-O-U-G-H, satellite, S-A-T-E-L-L-I-T-E-S, satellite in space, S-P-A-C-E, space. Now, second point, we can talk, send or receiving messages and pictures using mobile phone. W-E-V, can, C-A-N, can. Talk, T-A-L-K, talk. Send, S-E-N-D, send. Or, O-R-R, receive, R-E-C-E, I-V-E, receive. Messages, M-E-S-S-A-G-E-S, messages. And pictures, P-I-C-T-U-R-E-S, pictures. Using, U-S-I-N-G, using. Mobile, M-O-B-I-L-E, mobile. Phone, P-H-O-N-E-S, mobile phones. Okay, students. Here, any doubt, ask through the WhatsApp. Don't hesitate me. Okay. Thank you.